Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best foldable cart is probably one of the most versatile and convenient tools you can add to your household arsenal, especially if you find yourself frequently hauling groceries, laundry, or other heavy items. Imagine effortlessly gliding through the supermarket aisles or up to your apartment door without straining your back or making multiple trips. This isn't just about carrying things, it's about simplifying your life and reclaiming your time and energy, making everyday chores feel significantly less burdensome. Number 5. Goplus Jumbo Folding Shopping Cart. This shopping cart features a convenient foldable design, making it easy to carry and store when not in use. It takes up minimal space, offering great portability. Crafted from premium heavy-duty metal with a rust-resistant paint finish, this cart is built for longevity. Its sturdy construction ensures it will serve you well for a long time, saving you money. Navigate any terrain with ease thanks to its universal front wheels and large rubber rear wheels. Effortlessly transport heavy loads and large items wherever you go. Enjoy ample storage space for all your essentials. The additional back basket keeps personal items like your purse or umbrella within easy reach and securely stored. Perfect for daily grocery runs, laundry, or general hauling, this cart simplifies your urban life. Its lightweight yet sturdy build makes everyday tasks more convenient. Get started in no time with its simple assembly process. Just attach the wheels, and you're ready to experience the convenience it offers. What we like? This cart features a unique double basket system, offering superior organization for your items. If you often find yourself juggling groceries and personal belongings, this cart's dual compartments will keep everything neatly separated and accessible. It's perfect for those who value efficiency and order during their shopping trips. What people say. This cart is very sturdy and can hold a lot of weight. It's also very easy to maneuver, even when fully loaded. The wheels are large and durable, making it easy to roll over various surfaces, including uneven pavement and gravel. It folds up compactly for easy storage, and the handles are comfortable to grip. Number 4. Amazon Basics Foldable Shopping Cart. Introducing the ultimate shopping companion. This extra-large cart is designed for all your hauling needs, from groceries to sports gear. Crafted from durable metal with a sleek black finish, it boasts a 50 to 70-pound load capacity. You'll find ample space with 2 large baskets and an additional smaller one for personal items. Navigate any space with ease thanks to its heavy-duty wheels, featuring 360-degree swivel front wheels for seamless movement. The foam-covered handle provides a soft, secure, and comfortable grip, making every trip a pleasure. When not in use, it conveniently collapses for easy carrying and compact storage. Assembly is quick and simple, so you can start using it right away for all your errands. What we like? With its extra-large capacity and incredibly smooth 360-degree swivel wheels, this cart makes transporting even the bulkiest loads a breeze. The foam-covered handle ensures a comfortable grip, even on longer journeys. If you're looking for a cart that prioritizes ease of use and can handle significant weight with minimal effort, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The cart is very sturdy and holds a lot of groceries. It folds up easily for storage and is lightweight enough to carry. The wheels roll smoothly, even on rough surfaces. Number 3. Mac Sports Collapsible Outdoor Utility Wagon. Introducing the ultimate solution for carrying your essentials. This wagon sets up in seconds with no assembly required, making it incredibly convenient. It boasts a large capacity, perfect for all your gear. With generous inside dimensions, you can pack everything you need for your next outing. When not in use, it folds down to a mere 8 inches thick and includes a handy carry case. Transporting it is a breeze, weighing just 24.5 pounds. Designed with a heavy-duty frame, it can support up to 150 pounds. The durable fabric is UV and mildew resistant, and cleans up easily. Enjoy functional features like an adjustable handle for easy steering and 2 mesh cup holders to keep your drinks secure. It's ideal for sporting events, concerts, park trips, or even around the house. Please remember, it's designed for hauling items, not children. What we like? This wagon sets itself apart by requiring absolutely no assembly, getting you ready to haul in seconds. Its incredibly slim folded profile makes storage a non-issue. If your priority is immediate usability and compact storage, especially if you have limited space or dislike assembly, this is the wagon for you. What people say. This cart is very sturdy and can hold a lot of groceries. The wheels are smooth and easy to maneuver, even on rough surfaces. It folds up compactly for easy storage. Number 2. PASAMIC Collapsible Wagon. This wagon unfolds to offer generous space for all your daily needs. With a large storage capacity, it's perfect for errands or family trips, making it easy to carry your essentials. Designed for ultimate portability, it weighs just over 10 pounds and can be carried with one hand. When folded, it's compact and easy to store, and setting it up or putting it away takes only seconds. Constructed with a strong alloy steel frame, it can support up to 220 pounds. The durable, waterproof fabric is also tear-resistant and easy to clean, ensuring it stays in great condition. The adjustable handle provides a comfortable height for any user, and it maneuvers easily with its automatic rebound feature. Plus, 2 convenient cup holders keep your drinks within reach. Equipped with 360 degrees rotating front wheels, it glides smoothly over various surfaces. Effortlessly navigate pavement, grass, sand, and more, making it ideal for any outdoor adventure. What we like. Boasting an impressive 220 pounds weight capacity and all-terrain wheels, this cart is built for adventure. The durable, waterproof, and removable fabric makes it easy to clean after any excursion. If you frequently head to the beach, campsite, or enjoy outdoor activities where varied terrain is a factor, this heavy-duty wagon is your ideal companion. What people say. The cart is lightweight and folds flat for easy storage. It is sturdy and can hold a lot of groceries. The wheels roll smoothly, making it easy to maneuver. Number 1. Max Sports Heavy-Duty Folding Yard Cart. Enjoy a roomy interior that sets up in seconds with no assembly required. It's ready for any task you have in mind. When not in use, it folds down to a slim 8 inches thick and includes a protective cover. Storing it is a breeze. Its heavy-duty frame supports up to 150 pounds, and the durable fabric is easy to clean. This cart is built to last. It comes with an adjustable handle for easy pushing and a handy rear table with 2 cup holders. Everything you need is within reach. This cart is perfect for sporting events, park trips, or around the house. It makes hauling gear effortless. What we like. This cart is designed with convenience in mind, featuring a built-in rear table and cup holders, making it perfect for outdoor events. The robust steel frame ensures it can handle substantial loads. If you enjoy attending sporting events, concerts, or picnics and want a cart that doubles as a convenient surface for drinks and snacks, this is the one to consider. What people say. The cart is lightweight and easy to maneuver, even when fully loaded. It folds up compactly for storage, which is great for small apartments. The wheels are sturdy and roll smoothly over various surfaces, including uneven pavement. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.